Today's Google Doodle honors the German scientist, Dr. Julius Lothar Meyer, on his 190th birthday. Julius Meyer was born in Varel, Germany, on August 19, 1830.
After conducting initial studies in the field of medicine at the University of Zurich, Switzerland, he received his Ph.D. from Germany in the year 1858.
In 1864, Meyer published a seminal textbook on the modern chemical theory. Meyer's research paper, published in 1870, was indeed groundbreaking. In this paper, he demonstrated the relationship between atomic volume and atomic weight, and this provided strong evidence for the periodic law. Meyer also did some research on the structure of benzene. Dr. Julius Meyer played an important role in the discovery of the periodic law of chemical elements. Dr. Meyer got heavy recognition for his published line chart of atomic volumes as functions of atomic weights. This chart graphically demonstrated the periodicity of elements. He was also a pioneer of the earliest periodic tables. Videonium takes this opportunity to thank Dr. Julius Lothar Meyer for his remarkable scientific contributions.
Like, share, and subscribe.